Namaskara friends, welcome back to one more session of Reks Creations Kannada Kalike by Rekha Ainapur. Let's learn to speak Kannada words starting with the letter E. Pronunciations of few English letters throughout my lessons. Small n is pronounced as N as in number, capital N is pronounced as N as in Ramayana, small l is pronounced as L as in lucky, capital L is pronounced as L. It's a unique character in Kannada. Small d is pronounced as the as in darshan, capital D is pronounced as D as in dumb, small t is pronounced as T as in tandoor, capital T is pronounced as T as in tumbler. Now let's learn to speak Kannada words starting with the alphabet E in English words. First E. E means this. E means this. Ikshana. Ikshana. This moment. Ikshana. This moment. Eager. Eager. Now. Ichala Mara. Ichala Mara. Wild date tree. Eche. Eche. This side. Next slide. E.T. E.T. Javelin. Edu. Edu. Mat. Ether. Ether. This person. Irulli. Irulli. Onion. Ilige. Ilige. Cutter. Next slide. Ijadu. Ijadu. Swim. Edu. Edu. Equal or match. Iderike. Iderike. Fulfillment. Iderisu. Iderisu. Grant or fulfill. E-party. E-party. This much. Let's revise these 5 words. Ijadu. Swim. Edu. Equal or match. Iderike. Fulfillment. Iderisu. Grant or fulfill. E-party. This much. Next slide. Last slide. Evarege. Evarege. Till now or so far. Evarege. Till now, so far. Ivaga. Ivaga. Now. Ishanya. Ishanya. Northeast. Ishvara. Ishvara. Lord Shiva. Ilige. Ilige. Cutter or kind of vegetable slicer. This is the end of the today's session. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, Reks Creations Kannada Kalike. Please like my Facebook page, Kannada Kalike with Rekha. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please Reks Creations. Please find the above links in the descriptions. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. Dhanyavadagalu. Please like and share my channel. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.